Hello, and welcome inside the Diecast Dude Racing Network. Today's episode is going to feature something a little different. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the products used in our Season 2 setup. Let's check out what we've got. It's mail day. Today's package comes in from the SlanMan. We've already got a host of supplies and products from the SlanMan. We've been very happy, we've been very pleased, and today we're going to dive right on into what I think will be the focal point of Season 2's racetrack. So let's dive right on in and see what we've got. First of all, this came in 2 days. Rapid shipment. As with the last package from the SlanMan, well packaged. There's going to be a lot of little pieces in here, so we're going to want to use extra caution in unboxing. First up, a couple of gate trusses. These will go at the midpoint of the track and the finish line. We'll get those painted up. New business cards. Looks good. New to the order is some fencing. I like the fencing with the cement barrier underneath. Adds a little bit more of a dimension. We'll use these on the finish line. We grabbed 20 of these, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We grabbed 25. New billboards. Looks like the card will go right in. And that's how we'll do that. Will it stay? No. Not quite. Let's see what we got. And these will be the remaining figures, as well as a new lift. These will be the mechanic set. We have random spectators. All these will have to be painted. Luckily, we've got somebody lined up for that. These will be the seated figures. And these will be our pit crews. These guys will be in the pits. We'll take a look at that. One thing I do like about this merchant is that he does take extra special care in all pieces. And I really appreciate that when attention to detail is what we're looking for. This looks like a pit crew member who is holding a stop sign. Now, this one didn't quite make it, but we've got some other plans for him. And here are the new lifts. I think you can see these on the SlanMan website. You can check the link in the description. These are going to add a nice bit of detail to the garage. So kind to give us a figure holder. The figure holder is used to paint the figures. And last but not least, the main attraction. Assembly required. There better be directions in here, Mr. SlanMan. The 3-piece Grandstand. And we'll link a video in the description on how we put this together. All the trussels, bleachers, supports. The 3-piece Grandstand. Fencing. I believe this is the 100mm fencing. We'll have to check this, but this should be enough to give us a good 10 to 11 feet of fencing for that final straight. And there you go. Well packaged. Just to give you a quick rundown on some of the other products that we purchased through the SlanMan. Let's take a look at a couple of pieces. Some more figures. The stop timer. A few little random pieces for the garage. You can see we've got our light poles ready for our top of the mountain. Track connectors. A few other pieces. The 180. These are two 45s put together. Sorry, that's not the 180. That would be the 90 degree. That's the 90 degree turn. That will be turn 1 in season 2. Turn 2 will be the 180 once it gets painted. And the trusses will go at the finish line, and the midpoint. And so just a quick recap on some of the items that we purchased from SlanMan Customs. All 3D printed figures. We've got seated figures, we've got mechanic sets, we've got our random spectators that'll be in and around the track, our pit crews, our lift, plenty of fencing, 45s, 90s, the grandstand not assembled, the timer, more figures, the light poles, different accessories for the shop. All products that you can purchase through SlanMan Custom. As far as 3D printing goes, these are some of the best items that I've seen. I'm really enjoying it. Got the gate trusses. The 180 from the last order. And then we've got a few, I shouldn't say a few, a lot of the premium track connectors. And let me tell you what, when you're running a track as big as this, those connectors come in big time handy. I advise anyone doing a project this big to get in contact with the SlanMan. He can help you out. And that's going to be that. We're going to get to painting, get to building. See you next week, folks.